Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. Today we are going for an outdoor English speaking adventure. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today, as we take our learning out into open, fresh air, natural surrounding, and most importantly, a wonderful opportunity to put our English skills into practice with confidence. Today, let's focus on speaking freely, enjoying each other's company, and making the most of this unique environment. Remember, there is no pressure to be perfect, just the joy of expressing yourself in English. So let's dive in and start exploring. Let's go! So Team Samarth has decided to bat first because he has won the toss. So it's Team Somdev who will be bowling first, and there will be 3 questions. You'll get 3 minutes time and there will be minus marking. So if your answers are correct, you'll get +1, and if your answers are incorrect, you'll get -2. And whatever the points you'll get at the end, it will be added to your scores. Everybody, each one will get that score. If it is in minus, it will be deducted from your total score. If it is plus, then you'll get those plus scores in your total scores. Okay? So you'll get 3 minutes for each answer, and one answer, one person. Okay? You can decide amongst yourselves. So who's asking question?
मेरे आँख से आंसू निकल रहे हैं, लेकिन वह मुझे छोड़कर जा रही है.
So time has started. मेरी आँख से आंसू निकल रहे हैं, लेकिन वह मुझे छोड़कर जा रही है. Time has started. और हर 30 सेकंड में बताते रहना. So friends, today we are having a ask me round at the garden again, and we also have some snacks with us. After this we have appe, we have masala chana, we have samosa, cold drinks, maja, we have idli, we have bada, and we have chips, and we have banana by Devendra and Bhumika. So and don't throw the peel here and there, otherwise we'll skid in that. Okay, so everything should be put on the dustbin. So let's try to find out what they're discussing amongst themselves. मेरी आँख से आंसू निकल रहे हैं, लेकिन वह मुझे छोड़कर जा रही है. 1 minute left. Ready? Who's answering? आंसर कौन दे रहा है? Okay.
The tears is leaving from my eyes, but she is leaving me.
I think you have missed the first ball and they have bowled you out. Let's find out the right answer, what they have written. Who's answering? Who's giving answer?
इसको ना तो नीचे कर लो.
हाँ,
कर दे दो.
ये क्या है?
हाँ.
सही बोलना है, नहीं तो आपका भी गलत हो जाएगा.
यस सर. Tears are coming out of my eyes, but she is leaving me.
That is correct. तुमने बोला tears are, एक तो तुमने बोला tears, पहले tears बोला प्लूरल है, उसको तुमने is लगाया. दूसरी गलती. तीसरा तुमने बोला आंसू मुझे छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. तुमने ऐसे बोला आंसू छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे, लड़की छोड़ के जा रही है. आंसू तो तुम्हारे निकल रहे हैं. ये था एक्चुअली. Alright. So first ball they have bowled you out. Now the second ball. Who's bowling?
तुम किस जगह में रहते हो? राहुल भी तुम्हारे घर के आसपास रहता है क्या?
The question is, तुम किस जगह पर रहते हो? क्या राहुल भी तुम्हारे घर के आसपास रहता है? And they have already lost 1 wicket in the first ball. So this is the second ball that they have to face. This is a wonderful weather. As you can see, all the people, they have come to the park. This is normally the time when people come in the evening, you know, with their kids or with their family, with their friends, and they spend some time here. And you get a very good environment here. Atmosphere is very good. And this is adjacent to both the roads. This road leads to Chapa, and from this side also you can go to Chapa. This side is Kaltara, and it's actually a nice place. If you come here, you'll really enjoy. It's a very renowned park at Janjgir. So let's find out how much time is left.
Last 50 seconds.
50 or 15? 50 seconds left. So it's Harsh who is facing the ball.
At what place do you live?
Does Rahul live around your house?
So they are saying the answer is incorrect. So if it is right, you have lost your second wicket. Okay, so who's answering?
At where do you live? Place Rahul also lives near your house.
मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, वैसे तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है?
मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, वैसे तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? So this is the last ball that they are facing. They have already lost their 2 wickets in the first 2 balls. So this is the last ball that they are facing. If they face the last ball, और अगर ये तीसरा बॉल ये आउट हो जाते हैं और अगर ये पहली बॉल का सही फेस करते हैं, 1 रन बना देते हैं, तो गेम वहीं पे खत्म हो जाएगा। फिर बाकी 2 पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी। They are lacking in coordination first time. Otherwise, they have a very good batsman. Harshvardhan, Harsh, they both are good batsmen. Even Ronak is a good batsman. Samarth himself is a captain, but I think they are lacking in coordination. If you see the other team, we'll discuss that.
I do have much money usually. How do you have money?
I feel it's an incorrect answer. So if it is incorrect, then you have lost all 3 wickets in the 3 balls. And जिस टीम को कमज़ोर समझते हैं, देखिए दोस्तों, इसीलिए कहते हैं कि बंद घड़ी भी दिन में 2 बार सही समय बताती है। सो किसी को भी कमज़ोर मत समझिए। जब टीम बनी थी तो इनमें 4 बड़े बड़े बैट्समैन थे। हम लोग समझ रहे थे कि ये टीम बहुत कमज़ोर है, और अभी ऐसा हुआ कि इन्होंने 3 बॉल पे तीनों को आउट कर दिया है। अब देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या है। Who's giving answer?
I do have a lot of money. By the way, how much money do you have?
That's correct. The answer is correct. I do have lots of money. I do have lots of money. By the way, how much money do you have? And they used usually. They are clean bowled in the first 3 balls. So now it's their bowling. They'll be batting. We'll go to the next ground. So now the team is going on the other side because here it's darkness actually. It's 6 p.m. at night. So they have already team Somdev has already bowled 3 balls, and they have bowled out all the 3 first batsmen who were on top order and who were considered to be the very good batsmen. It happens, even Sachin Tendulkar gets out in 0 sometimes. So now let's see what happens if they start bowling. Here's a statue of Bisaudas Mahanji. So now we have come to the other side of the park. As you can see, this is the front side. We have come here because there is a shade where people can sit. There's a lighting also, so you can have your breakfast and snacks, whatever you brought, and you can spend a good time over here. And whenever you come with the team, so it becomes very enjoyable for all. So we have come to the other side of the ground. We were on that side and it was dark there, and it was also muddy actually. So at that time you can get so many creature, insects and all. And here the ample amount of lighting is here, and this is concrete. So we have come here for the second round. As a team, this team has already lost all their 3 wickets in the 3 balls. Now it's up to them. They'll be bowling, they'll be batting.
जब मैं एक मधुर गीत सुन रहा था, तब मेरा भाई और मेरी बहन एक मधुर गीत नहीं सुन रहे थे।
I think it's a very easy one, and it's not the tricky one actually. Though it's long, but it's not the tricky one, as they made very tricky questions. So your question is very easy. 2 minutes 15 seconds left. As I was saying that एक टीम बॉन्डिंग दिख रही है इस टीम में। अभी है आपके पास 1 मिनट। टीम बॉन्डिंग इस टीम में दिख रही है। आंसर भी सही बना रहे हैं। कहीं ना कहीं पे ये लोग थोड़े से हड़बड़ी में थे और आपस में डिस्कशन कर रहे थे। They didn't write it down, but they have written the answer. They have written the question and they're answering as per that. Okay, so who's answering?
When I was listening a melodious song, then my brother and the sister were not listening a melodious song.
Answer is correct. When I was listening to a melodious song, then my brother and sister were not listening to a melodious song. War होगा ना, था ना. You have to say anything?
सर और एक बार आंसर देखो सर।
सही है, आपने क्या किया है एक्चुअली, माई ब्रदर एंड माई सिस्टर ऐसे 2 बार किया है, जरूरत ही नहीं थी। माई कॉमन है दोनों भाई बहन के लिए, और एंड से आप भाई बहन को जोड़ ही रहे हो, तो इससे सही है। इनफैक्ट दैट इज मोर एक्यूरेट, मतलब वो ज़्यादा ग्रामेटिकल सही है। सो द फर्स्ट बॉल दे हैव हिट इट फॉर 6 जैसा हम लोगों ने स्पेकुलेट किया था कि टीम बहुत स्ट्रांग थी, बहुत अच्छे बैट्समैन थे। यार मैं अंधेरे में आ रहा हूँ, तू इधर आ जा। अंधेरे में। सो जैसा हम लोगों ने स्पेकुलेट किया था अच्छी जगह देख के बैठो, घूम घूम के नहीं खाना, एक जगह बैठ के खाना, देखो गिरे मत और भी चीजें हैं भाई जो खाने के बाद जिसको पसंद है आके बोलना है। सास ने सॉस है।